Number 2 point is band-aids or plaster. Band-aids or sticking plasters are good for dressing small wounds. They come in all shapes and sizes for fingers, legs, or anywhere else you might get little cuts. Make sure the band-aid is big enough to cover the wound. If not, you should use a dressing instead. Okay, the second point is band-aids or sticky plaster, and they are really very good for the dressing of small wounds. And if you have seen many wounds and many plasters where you can apply band-aids or the sticky plaster, and they are of different sizes, but you must have seen all these sticken plasters or sticky plasters in different shapes, and you have to use the size and shape of plaster according to the size of your wound, which may be on your finger or anywhere else in your body. But if you do not find any sizable sticking plaster, then what you are going to do, definitely you are going to use dressing instead, because if you do not find any sizable sticking plaster or band-aids, you are going for the dressing then. Okay, to cover is infinitive over here. You can see over here, and I hope that you are underlining all such phrases in your textbook as well.